All right, good morning. It's Monday, officially in February. Got a few minutes till market opens. I'm just getting some things ready here. On a higher time frame, what are we watching? What are we looking at? So would consider like a level in this area on SPY there, right around like 492.7. See kind of the high after hours pre-market acted as support a little bit, support through the pre-market today as well. But we have made a new high, pulled back to that previous high. You know, a hold of this level and continuation potentially. On QQQ, we're kind of fighting to create all-time highs, right? We're not quite there. We've had a rejection, came up, rejection. So, you know, potentially see a rejection if we have strength, break above all-time high, then we don't really have much to the upside in terms of that. Holding that 428 pretty solid throughout the after hours and pre-market. So right off the bat, kind of liking what I see with SPY a bit, with that retest of the higher high, retest and continuation potentially. What's QQQ? I was looking at the wrong thing here. I definitely want to watch for a pull back into this level here. Because, yeah, like I said, it's kind of a higher high. Broke through that all-time high. Now we've pulled back to it. Same thing could be said about like a break above this pre-market high. Break, retest, hold. And we'll look at QQQ as well. We'll take a look at QQQ. It's kind of holding on to this level here. We'll take a look at that on a higher time frame also. QQQ looks a little bit less certain. I'm still holding on. Trying to hold that level as well, I'd assume. I'm gonna put some alerts that are above pre-market high. We'll do the same on SPY here. Do it there. Above that level, sure. The pre-market high is like right at 494. Yeah, SPY's looking pretty bullish off the open. We still have a few minutes, but it's looking pretty good so far. And then we'll create an alert here for QQQ just to see if it, you know, comes and holds that level potentially. And we got about a minute and a half till market opens, so I'm just hang out, wait till then. We'll see what we get. SPY's looking pretty strong so far though. And got that pullback to a previous high in the pre-market, and it's really going from there. above previous high, pull back. It looks like it's ripping. Although it has been in this range between like 492.7 and 490.4, a little over $1 range. So I'd like to see a break to the upside, potentially break above that pre-market high, above 494. And then we could potentially target last Friday's high day. I mean, that's a $2 move, so probably not capture that entire move, but a piece of it. My option chain doesn't want to pull up yet. It's all right. Take your time there, bud. The name of the game today and this week, and hopefully moving forward, excuse me, patience. We're gonna be patient. Because my lack of patience has bitten me the past couple trading days. So QQQ is pulling back to that level. Watch that for a second. See, pulling back to that level, holding it so far. Wonder if my options chain will let me actually pull stuff up yet. No? It's really weird. I might need to like restart my Thinkorswim if it's not gonna let me pull up options.
Hello.
What's going on? How you doing?
Fine, man. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Yeah, again, I think we have news in 15 and 30 minutes, so.
Yeah, PMI and then other stuff at 10. I think I need to restart my Thinkorswim. It won't let me pull up any options or anything. So I will be right back. I just restarted it and it says it's installing updates. So maybe that was it. How was your weekend, Yvonne? You do anything? Drinking? Anything beyond drinking?
No, man, only. Only drinking, my man.
What's your weather like out there? Do you get like winters or is it pretty warm year round?
Yeah, we got some type of winter, but it's not that cold. Honestly, now it's very warm for this part. I don't know. Very warm now.
Gotcha.
Almost like end of the spring, feels like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, on Saturday we got like quite a bit of snow here, and then the next day it was like warm and sunny and melted it. It couldn't make up its mind. It's like winter one day and spring the next.
Yeah, it's weird.
Let's see if that helped. There we go. That was weird. I just had to restart my broker. Yeah, what's up?
Hello.
What's going on?
How was your trip, man? It dumped Saturday.
Dude, yeah, it did. Oh man, it was awesome. We went snowboarding Friday, and then yeah, Friday night it snowed. So like Saturday was like 6 to 8 inches of powder.
Nice.
Awesome.
That's awesome. Yeah, it was dumping on Saturday where I live, and I was thinking about you. I was like, dude, it's gotta be epic up there right now.
Yeah, so I stayed in a little town called Silverthorne. Do you know where that is?
Yep, yeah.
Yeah,
Sweet.
where we were at. It was pretty sweet, man.
Well, that was good.
Yeah.
QQQ's kind of testing the pre-market high right now.
Yeah. On 30-minute chart, or I don't know, 5 minutes, you can see a triangle channel there on QQQ.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm waiting for QQQ or SPY to break pre-market high for an upside, or potentially I have a level beneath both of them, kind of right where they both were tested.
Yeah,
They're just,
rejecting for now.
yeah, they're just both kind of in a bit of a range. Gonna wait for them to break out.
Nvidia is close to 700.
That's so insane. It's just like last week it hit 600. It's up $25. I've never seen anything like it.
Why is it climbing like this? Do you know?
I don't for sure. I do know that like last week, the past couple weeks, the US announced some like another essentially like a bill for funding chip production, which might be part of it.
Mm.
But yeah, it's insane. I can't say I fully understand it. Wow, QQQ's kind of dumping. SPY doing that? Just dropped like 80 cents out of nowhere. Yeah, I guess SPY's kind of doing similar. SPY's, I have a level at like 492.7 on SPY. It's like the previous all-time high that it broke above and kind of coming down. See if it retests.
Yeah, like a Friday pre-market highs.
Mm-hmm. And like a Thursday aftermarket too. Or after hours, it was like the high then as well.
Yeah, it's nice level to watch now. In QQQ there's like pre-market low and 428.
Mm-hmm.
On the 4-hour QQ, looks like it wants to tank.
It does look a little weaker than SPY.
Yeah,
I do
well, I just have that zone up there.
I do have a level right at like 428.7 that it's held this morning. It looks like it's trying to hold. We'll see. But yeah, if it breaks below, I'd be looking for a retest. It looks like it might here.
Put it in trade chat. It just looks like, on the 4-hour anyway, it looks like it wants to, or it can't hold above that zone. Wouldn't be surprised if we just dropped.
Yeah, exactly. It's had multiple rejections in that same area. Guess there's news in 3 minutes. I'm not sure if I have any sort of response, but
Oh shit, what's coming out today?
in a couple minutes we have the U.S. Services PMI, and then at 10 Eastern we have Fed President Goolsbee TV appearance and ISM services. I don't know how many of those will have any sort of a reaction. This whole QQQ doing? Looking pretty weak.
Yeah, news pretty much in line. So.
Alright, KQQ is really going down though. It's a new low. Wow.
I'm scared to do anything with either one of these.
Yeah, I was kind of waiting for that 5-minute candle to close on QQQ because it like broke and retested the I have like a level at 428.7 or so.
Yeah, I have one right there.
So I was waiting to see what it would do on the 5-minute, but yeah, it just kind of tanked. So now I'm, yeah, just waiting again. I don't want to take a trade now.
I don't think I'm gonna touch SPY until we get out of these pre-market.
Yeah, SPY is super rangy right now. Yeah, I want to see it like below 492.7 or above like pre-market high around like 494. Set up some alerts. We'll see if we get them. Dang, QQQ's dumping. I had some 428 puts pulled up on QQQ. It moved pretty nice. Yeah. Up like 50% just off that little drop. Crazy. Yeah, Nvidia almost $700. That's wild. You guys know what leaps are?
I've heard the term. I don't really know how it works though.
It's essentially, it's like so you buy options in a contract like a year or more out, so like pretty far dated contracts, and you buy them like in the money so that the delta's like as close to 1 as you can get. So essentially, like every dollar the stock moves, you'd be getting, you know, close to like $100 or whatever. And it's like a long-term strategy. So if you think like say like Apple is down over the past year or something, but you think like, oh, in the next 2 years Apple's going to be way higher than it is. So then you'd buy like a far out call option that's in the money. And so it just gives you like a, like obviously time decay is less of a thing because, you know, it has a much longer lifespan, and then with delta being higher, it moves less volatile, so like you're less likely to lose a bunch of money if you have like a month of drawdown or something.
But if it goes up, you're making a shit ton.
Yeah, it's essentially it's like a long-term investment, but you just like leverage it, if that makes sense. Like rather than buying the stock, you're buying an option on it, but same kind of idea. But so like last year or 2 years ago when like everything was crashing, there's a dude that I used to follow, and he bought leaps on like Meta and like Nvidia, and yeah, he's up over like 1,000% on his leaps. And I think they're for like, yeah, I think their expiration's in like 2025, so he still has like another year to go on them if he wanted, but he's already up like 10x on his investment. It's insane. It's like a really good strategy for that. If there's like a big like blue chip company like Microsoft or something, or like, you know, maybe even like Tesla. Yeah, if they have like a big pullback and you buy like long outdated calls and just hold on to it for a year, it's crazy. But yeah, I just was thinking about that with Nvidia going so high. His leaps are, I don't even know. He's made so much money off that shit.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Probably, yeah.
I think he put in like 20 or 30 grand, and he has like over $300,000 now, like worth. Just nuts. But also, it'd be pretty sweet to have like 20 grand just to be able to throw in some options.
Yeah, QQQ held that support.
428 pretty much exactly, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that pre-market low.
Trend line now.
Yeah, they're both kind of just in their like pre-market ranges a little bit. Neither is really broken out. SPY looks pretty choppy.
Yeah, I'm in no rush to get into anything today.
If SPY breaks pre-market high, looks nice for.
Yeah.
Do y'all use VWAP?
I do not.
No.
I do.
You do you base a lot of your trades off of it?
Not exactly, but I base calls and puts of it. If we are below it, I'm more likely to trade puts, and if you're above it, I'm more likely to trade calls.
I gotcha.
And I think it should be a rule because it works better with it, so.
Yeah, QQQ's coming back up to test that level again. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you, Vaughn.
No, no worries, I'm just thinking about it. Yeah, and we have news in 1 minute.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
All right. The SPY's dumping. SPY is falling pretty serious. As QQQ is as well, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, huge drop on QQQ.
Mm-hmm. Crazy.
Yeah, I might wait for the retest now with it. Come back up a little bit. But damn, not this aggressive.
Yeah, QQQ retesting previous low.
I'm gonna short SPY here.
Yeah, I have a level right there that retested, like at 492.7. Next one, 492.5 or 491.5. Would be a nice move.
Yeah, I'm gonna add more if we come up and test pre-market low. I don't know if we'll get that though. Yeah, we'll take it there.
Nice. I'm trying to put here on QQQ. Oh. Yeah, and we already got that 5-minute close where we like wicked up off it. We'll see. Yeah, I'm trying to target 427 ideally. So.
Okay. Do you have more than one contract?
Nope, just one. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, SPY's tanking too.
Gotta break low a day. It's kind of bouncing around down there right now. But if it breaks, 427's right below it, and that'd be a nice little move. Volume coming in, let's see it.
Yeah, there goes SPY. He's dropping. SPY wicked off the exact same point 3 times in a row in the 1 minute. That never happens. What? I'll be right back.
Right there on that push down. That's a decent little trade right there. 427 right there. Nice.
Nice one, man.
It looks like it's still going. It wouldn't have been a bad one to hold a runner. Yeah, contract moved really nice. Shoot, it moved way better once it hit 427. It jumped $20 once it did. That's wild. Cool.
Yeah, SPY at the all-time high. So.
Oh yeah.
Holy shit. Did you take your contract?
Yeah, I took it right when we were about to hit 427.
Nice. Good job.
Would have been nice to have a runner.
Yeah, no, I was thinking the same thing on mine.
Yeah, it's just dumping.
I have noticed recently, like the past couple of weeks, if I had left runners for a lot of my trades, more than half of them, most of them went over 100%.
Yeah, that's nuts. Yeah, SPY is really dumping.
It's in this right in the zone. You look at yesterday, we kind of just broke right through this zone and then retested it before taking off.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Wow. Pretty serious dump here.
I know I shouldn't, but I'm gonna check and see what that contract would be at right now.
I know I still have my contract pulled up and it's like 50% higher than when I sold it.
Let's see, I bought it at 0.41.
It's
It's now at $1.05.
yeah, I was gonna say mine's like 100% from where I bought it. That's crazy. Well, now we know. Don't ever sell. Ride it all the way. Crazy dump though.
It is wild. Wonder if we'll see yesterday's low. Or Friday's low, I mean.
Seriously, down like 489. QQQ is dumping. Oh my gosh, it's up. Yeah, it's well over 100% from where I sold. It's at my next level. I should have just held to my next level, I suppose. 426.16.
What percent were you up when you got out?
I'm trying to do some quick math. Here, I'm gonna use my calculator real quick.
Well, do you think it was like over 20?
Yeah, it's well over 20.
Well, shit. Yeah, I would have taken that too.
It was like 33%.
Hard to justify holding.
Yeah, with only one contract for sure.
Exactly.
The only reason I said that, I just picked 427 because it was a whole number, but my next level was like 426.2, which is pretty much like right where we ticked off of.
Should have held.
It would have been nice for runners for sure. I got smoked last week though. I traded like a donkey, so I'm trying to. Yeah, I had like last week, just not good for me. I'm trying to like slow down and recalibrate a little bit.
Yeah, no, I get it.
ton of volume coming in here on QQQ. I have a level right where it, like, low a day. It's holding it so far. Might bounce from here. See what this 5-minute candle looks like. Yeah, I'm trying I'm trying to wait to always like get a confirmation on the 5-minute before I take a trade now. It'll probably make me miss some stuff, but probably also save me from taking stupid stuff as well.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea.
I think I was like hyper focusing on like the 2-minute, and we'd get like a hammer at support on 2-minute, and I'd be like, all right, sweet, and get in. But then like the 5-minute's still pretty bearish, and we just tank right through it. I was just looking back over the past couple weeks, like over the weekend, kind of back testing and just looking at like the probability of it working with like confirmation on a 5-minute versus 2-minute. I don't know. It's like anything. If you get confirmation on a higher time frame, it's probably more relevant. But
Yeah, it's just all like in the moment. You gotta. That's the hard part, you know.
for sure.
Yeah, I mean Q. Tanking off that zone.
How you doing, Yvonne? You got anything loaded up?
No, man, I missed that trade on QQQ, but it's okay.
The way today's moving, I think we'll get some more. Been some big swings. SPY is looking pretty weak too.
Yeah, I'm really not like chasing the trade, so it's fine by me.
Yeah. Why not, dude? Are you scared or something? I'm joking.
No.
I'm just fucking. Do not listen to me. Yeah, QQQ looks solid for a little bounce. I don't know where to. Maybe back to like 427.5 or something. But that volume and that price action on the 5-minute at that level. A lot of volume, and it held it twice. See though. Fully, are you only trading one contract as well? Is that why you didn't have a runner?
Me?
Or did you only take one contract is what I meant? I think I remember you saying you're on size in if it retested pre-market low and it didn't.
Oh yeah, yeah. I only took one. Yeah, we were about 10 cents off.
Yeah, it'd be nice to, I mean, just have a little bit bigger position so you could like, even when you have a smaller position and you don't get a scale in, you could still leave runners. 3 contracts or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. I was waiting on that 5 minute candle, but I have a level right at 491.5. I'm testing. 2 minute looks good too. In terms of like it's looking pretty weak in that area.
Alright, I'm gonna get in here. And then add more if we break above that little wick we've had. Take one more.
Looking good for you on SPY. QQQ's kind of falling too. Looking all right, buddy. I did not get in on that trade. I thought about it, but I just hesitated.
Yeah, I was supposed to add more up there, but it didn't. Swear to God.
Taking its sweet time, just kind of hanging out.
Yeah.
Did you get 491 puts?
No, I've been taking pretty cheap contracts lately. So this one was the where am I at? Shit, my phone's no. Stop. 490 puts.
Gotcha. Yeah, I mean, my next level's at 490.1. If it got down there, that would be a very nice move.
Looking like we may wanna.
It's forming like a little bear flag. If you see that on like 5 or 2 minute, probably 1 minute as well. Had that big sell off. It's kind of like flagged up.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some volume coming in too. I took one put on that little move.
On SPY?
Yeah. So hopefully it breaks lower here. Let's see it break that flag and continue. Did get a lot of volume on that last 2 minute though.
Yeah.
I probably should have waited. I did not get a great fill on it. That's looking alright. Volume slowed way down. So hopefully we get a move. It's looking still pretty good on 5 minute. Wicking off that level perfectly. Love to see a little increase in volume, break that flag, you know? Might get it right here. That would be a nice move. kind of painful price action. It's so slow. Retested like 7 times. It's just not doing anything. QQQ's falling right now. Testing low a day. Yeah, 5-minute close looks really juicy.
Yeah, it does.
I'd love to target low a day. We can move. There we go. A little movement at least. Did you get another contract, or are you just with your one?
No, I can't even blame myself. Or the price this time, it literally touched it like 5 times.
Nice.
And I every single time I was like, well, maybe if it goes a little bit higher, I'll get it. Fucking
Damn.
just being a little bitch. I don't know why.
I took my profit there on my single contract once we got towards low a day.
Nice.
I had a pretty bad fill, or else that would have been a pretty nice move as well.
Yeah.
That's why I kind of wanted just to take my profit, because I didn't get the best entry price.
Yeah.
But lots of volume coming in on 2-minute.
Yeah, would like to see it break a little bit further.
There you go. Nice. Shit, it might hit 490. If it can push, for sure. That's just the next level that I have, is like 490.1.
Yeah. Oh, fuck. I feel like it's just about to drop.
I mean, it's going, brother.
Alright, I'm gonna take it there.
Yeah, that's a nice move.
Yeah.
Good work.
Yeah, good job.
I will pip squeak position, but you know, a peewee hut.
Yeah, I mean, but I had two 20-ish% moves
Yeah,
on these little tiny position sizes, so
there you go. And if you had runners, you know, what would that be? Insane.
yeah, it'd be crazy. Just building that confidence, though.
For sure. Dude, I know you've been going for the cheaper contracts, but like in that situation, those 491s, because you get them out of the money and then it breaks and goes in the money, those contracts move insane. Wow,
No,
look at it
man.
going right to 490. No, I know. I like it when you have a setup like that. Like you have a whole number, like a strike price that is like closer to your target, so you get that transition from like out of the money to in the money. The contracts just move so nice.
Yeah.
Like at when it just broke below 491, it was at like a little over $1 per contract, and then that push down, it's now at like $1.30, when as high as $1.40. So it's like you get an extra like 30-40%, like once that moves in the money. It's crazy.
Juiced once it breaks through.
Yeah, it really does. It's like that I think like the delta jumps up once it's in the money, and then so like each little move it makes more and more. It's crazy. Yeah, that would have been a nice one to hold. Holy shit.
It literally 4 times.
Yeah.
Every single time, I was like, no, I'll add when it gets a little bit higher.
Hey, still a decent move though.
Yeah, no, I'm happy with today. I might just take it there too. I don't want to.
Yeah, that'll probably be the last trade I take. I have an interview today, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, I'm not. We'll see. I don't really like. The company's kind of weird. Well, and just in terms of like, I need to kind of understand more of what they do. But
Do you have to go there, or is it like Zoom?
no, it's all online. Yeah, it's just like a 30-minute. It's like the first intro, or kind of like the intro interview.
Gotcha.
But dang, what a day! Just a dumper.
Yep. No, I'm glad. I'm happy with how today went. Pre game plan was wait until it breaks out of pre-market levels and then just execute on a retest of break of structure.
Very nice. Yeah, hell yeah, man. Yeah, I'm happy. I definitely traded a lot better than I was last week. A lot less. I guess a lot more patient this week. Crazy how much they're moving. QQQ is nuts. Like the last little like lower high it had just dumped like $2 straight from that. Crazy moves. Yeah, it had like it made like a lower high at 227 and then just dumped like $2 in the matter of 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Yeah, QQQ moves insane. Like a dollar move on QQQ is nothing.
Is QQQ, are we approaching like SPY levels faster than SPY's going up? Like, are we gonna touch SPY? Like 490 level?
Uh
Wonder if they'll ever be like around the same price.
oh. I mean, I don't know. Q's like 425. So I was trying to understand what you were saying there. I was like, approach SPY levels on QQQ. What type of cross-dimensional trading you're doing, brother?
What is?
Probably close to 1,000.
Yeah,
Yeah.
when they both get to 1,000, that'd be pretty crazy.
God damn. I'm gonna send that picture again so you guys can see the wizardry.
Yeah, and when you broke that 428 level, it's even better with that break.
Yeah.
And then that close of 2 minute, 5 minute candle on QQ was pretty nice. near that 428 area.
Yeah, like when it broke through pre-market low.
Yeah.
And it came back up and retested. Yeah.
I really don't know, but I missed it. But nice trade, guys.
Thank you, thank you.
Finally, some clean charts.
Yeah. Do we have any big news coming out this week that y'all know of?
Tomorrow, none.
Let's see.
No,
We have
this
a bunch
week
of
is
people
clean.
speaking on Wednesday.
But yeah, pretty much this week is clean. Might be a clean week.
Let's hope. Alright, boys. I'm gonna take off. I will catch you guys tomorrow, though.
Yeah, man. Okay. See you
Good
tomorrow.
stuff. Ryan, good luck on your job interview. And yeah, catch y'all tomorrow.
Let's see you, man.
I'm probably about to head out as well. See you later, Yvonne. Take it easy, my friend.
Good luck on your interview. Yeah.
Thank you. I think I was muted that whole time when Fully was saying bye. I didn't realize it.
You did, yeah.
Oh, I didn't have any clue. That's a
Okay,
bummer.
man. See you tomorrow.
Alright, see you, man.
See you.
Alright. I'll see all you guys later. Take it easy. Have fun. Stay safe. I'll be back tomorrow. Alright. Peace out, everybody.